The world of facilities management is changing at a rapid rate. Building owners are finding new and innovative ways on how to be more efficient on how they manage their buildings.
Technology is enabling a lot of changes in the built environment. The Internet of Things and sensors, cameras, and other devices create a dynamic work experience.
So having spent a lot of time with facility professionals, it's been fascinating understanding the various types of buildings that they look after. Really, in the end, they have very, very similar problems when it comes to maintaining the buildings and evolving them and having them being very productive for the occupants of those buildings.
Some of the biggest challenges that we see and that our customers have right now is, quite frankly, from an information standpoint.
Whether you're doing a new renovation or doing a new build out, you need to know what's been done in that building previously. And it seems to be an industry-wide problem, access to that critical information in a timely manner.
If I've got a piece of equipment in my building, it's often I have to go all over the place to try and find specific pieces or parts that I need to do my job.
I have to go through stacks of drawings to find the right one.
Where is the information kept? How is the information kept? And how quickly can we use that information when we need to solve a problem?
So I have a client in the healthcare industry. It's a hospital, 2 million square feet. The unfortunate thing happened. They had a fire in the laundry department. They called the fire department, and as you can imagine, there were 14 fire trucks that arrived. But the first thing they asked the facilities director and the director of engineering was for their drawings. So that way they can come up with a plan of attack to address this fire. They said, we have them, but we have to go to our drawing room and possibly our PC to gather all this content and then give it back to you.
Facilities teams have very similar challenges. One of them is they need access to information, and they're maintaining buildings across oftentimes a wide footprint, a large geographical area. The average facility worker was spending about an hour and a half every day looking for information. We felt if we came up with a solution that addressed that hour and a half spent looking for information every day, we would have something super valuable for our facilities customers.
Facilities teams are embracing technology as a way to change how they manage and access information while working in the field. During an emergency, having accurate information is vital. You need to make a lot of critical decisions quickly, so having information in your hands can really mitigate the risk and the potential of loss, injury, or damage.
So it's important that we develop solutions that they can start using right away with little or no training, so that they can be successful the moment we put it in their hands.
Providing real-time communication. They go out to perform a function on a piece of equipment or a building or a service. They have that information readily available within their tablet.
What's unique about the ARC solution is that we started with a mobile-first approach. From there, we took the idea of how do we get all the institutional knowledge that these teams have and put it onto their mobile devices.
Facility managers, we have to embrace technology. We use technology in everything else that we do. We have to be willing to invest in technology. That gives us the efficiency that we need to carry excellence in the built environment.
When our customers realize they can access all of their building information, including their floor plans, their shutoff valves, their emergency response protocols, all of their equipment details, they're blown away. But when they find out they can access all of that same information from any mobile device, it becomes a game changer.